What's up, guys? I'm gonna talk about why I took this trade yesterday. Beautiful trade from GU. So to start off, coming into the market on Monday, I saw on a daily that we're still in this range here: a high, low, low, lower high, and I wanted to see where price is gonna go. This is a very big perspective. It looks like we're creating our head and shoulders invertedly, so we might be going up in the near future, but when I went down to the 4 hour, saw on Friday we had this big push up. That was literally the whole day from 9 a.m. on. We just had crazy price action, breaking all of these highs here. I'm an intraday trader, so I trade on a lower time frame, so 1 hour down. And after seeing that move from last week, came into the market, and on Sunday, I saw we had this price action here, where if you drop down to the 15-minute, you can see that price is ready to start going down. So I'm gonna take this off. We had this push up, right? We created a low and then create a lower high, and then price broke this lower low structure here, this higher low structure here, creating a lower low. So that right there kind of gave me the signature of, all right, price is going to move down and try to retest slash create balance inside this imbalance here. So what I wanted to see when I got up in the morning, because I trade New York session, this is London session here. So after this move here, price came into this gap and dropped down and created a new low. Breaking structure here. And when New York session came in, before New York session, I actually got in before New York session. I got in around 7, I think it was like 750 or something like that. Yeah, it was around 750-ish. So price came in here, right? Because this is now my order block for the New York session right here. Take this one. This is my order block. Since we came up, we took some liquidity from here. I took liquidity, and then we broke structure. So we got this high was created, this higher low was created, this lower high, because this high is lower than this high, was created, and then we created a lower low because this low is lower than this previous low. Price pulled back during London session, we created a lower high and then created another lower low. Once I see this, I know it's possible to go down. My first target was here, since this was the low that was created. So I got in around 750-ish, got in here, and I was able to ride this move down from the 830 open. And then, as you see, price created this low, a higher low, because this high is lower than this high. Created another, it created a low. This high, this is a higher low because this high is created after this one. But then we created another higher low here. High, low, lower high. This is a higher low, and then another lower high though. And then we was able to take price down here, and I exited the trade right before 4 o'clock, which was right here, getting about 5% on this trade. Right here, my stop loss was up there, and we got, I don't think I got out that low. I think I got in, I mean, hold on, I used the fib, so I used the fib high. All right, guys. So I ended up just opening my trade locker, just so you can see I actually took the trade. Right here it says live account on the top left corner, live account, and this is where I took the trade from this sell lot down to this buy. where I exit. So I risked 10.5 pips to make about 52 pips, and that was a trade. Like I said, it gave me this lower high here at this breaker structure, pulled back, gave me another breaker structure. After I saw this, I knew that price was ready to come down. And because on a higher time frame, we're bullish from this move on Friday, I wasn't trying to hold until we get all the way down here. Because the price could have reversed at any point in time. So what I did was I took my fib. My fib's gonna be a little messed up on here, but I took my fib and I waited till we got to the 50 mark. And I took it a little bit below the 50 mark. And that's it. That's why I got in this trade yesterday at GU on Monday. Beautiful trade. Today I didn't take anything because price is just not, it's not really giving me anything. I don't know if we want to buy or keep selling. Um, I do see this liquidity was swept here, but it looks like we just broke structure maybe. I don't know. I'll have to drop down a little bit. But yeah, it's not really giving me anything and the day's over. So I'll wait till tomorrow, see what price does through the night. Wait till tomorrow. Maybe we'll hop in for a buy or sell, whatever price gives us. But yeah, that's my trade.